alupihang tulog, duhan-duhan, lukot-lukot, kiling-kiling, kilingon, alimugmog, alimagma, libod-libod, o sa mas kilala nating sing-sing pare. Yan ang rusty millipede na may scientific name na Trigonulus corallinus, usually around 3 to 5 cm in length. Native yan sa South and Southeast Asia. They are non-invasive so they don't destroy crops. Meron din silang mata na tinatawag na ocelli that can only detect light and dark. So not clear images yan. So medyo malabo. Diyan napapasok ang role ng antennae nila to navigate, sense food, and detect vibrations. They mostly live in moist soil, under logs, leaf litter, and rotting wood. Their defensive trait, they roll into spiral when threatened to protect its softer underside. Yan ang tinatawag nilang volvation. Meron din silang defensive fluid na nire-release nila along its sides dun sa mga tiny pores. As you can see sa video, ayan, nabiktima tayo at talaga namang mabaho. So yan ang tinatawag nating rusty millipede, Trigonulus corallinus, ang ating sing-sing pare. Whatever happens, cute pa rin tayo. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.